Good morning, people. What's going on, guys? Why do I always start the video like that? What's going on, guys? Yeah, but guys, today's what, April 6th, Tuesday. Local time right now is 6:51 a.m. Currently located here in Oak Grove, Kentucky, right on Interstate 26, as we make our way to Des Moines, Iowa. I don't know what these people are doing. It's going way too slow for a box L to back in. Well, anyways, we have a long day today, guys. Oh, this is where we slept last night, all the way in the back, behind that oversized. But we do have a long day today. We got 600 and just give me 1 second. We got 645 miles. So according to Google, that's gonna take about 9 hours and 31 minutes. We're gonna try to make it to the Flying J in Altoona, Iowa, which is like in the outside. It's like a city, a small town outside of Des Moines. And that's gonna put us 10 miles away from the customer tomorrow morning. So not bad. Once again, I don't know if I'm gonna go to the Iowa 80 truck stop. We'll see. We'll see what happens down the road. I might take like a 30-minute break or a 1 hour break or something. Oops, sorry. I just ate breakfast. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna take a 30-minute break or a 1 hour break just to show you guys, or just drive. Nobody's coming. Or just drive inside. We'll see. But with that being said, guys, let's get onto Interstate 24 West. And let's try to make it to Iowa with no issues. Peace. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, people. Local time is 9:51 a.m. Currently traveling Interstate 64 West. Passing mile 48. We're currently, we just passed Nashville, Illinois. Not Tennessee, but Illinois. Current temperature right now is 68 degrees. And the wind is 10 miles an hour. Coming from the south, so it's kind of pushing me from the driver's side to the passenger side, just a little bit. Got about 32 miles, and then we're gonna go into Interstate 55 north towards Chicago. I don't know, but every time I come towards St. Louis or Missouri, this is actually my favorite. Like, I really like this area. like flat grounds in the middle of nowhere. Man, no traffic. I love it. And I haven't taken Interstate 55 in a minute. Like, it's been a while. So, but I think last time I remember, I-55, it's mostly flat grounds. It's flat grounds in the middle of nowhere, so almost like this. I completely forgot like the truck stops, and I remember I stopped once out of Love's before getting into St. Louis. I was going south. I believe it was a Love's truck stop, but I'm not sure. But that's the only thing I remember. Right now we're down to 436 miles till we make it to Tuna/Des Moines, Iowa. Look at all this open land, guys. Unbelievable. I love it. I love coming through here. Alright guys, so right now we're currently traveling 64 west. We just passed mile 24, and we're gonna do a little bit of a detour to get onto Interstate 55 north. Apparently, according to the CB radio, they're saying that there's like an 8 or 10 mile back up there before you get to St. Louis. This is actually our exit here. And that backup is actually before my exit to go out and take Interstate 255. So we're just gonna be taking this exit, exit 23. Take, I think it's a route, not a highway, but it's a route 4 north to get onto Interstate 70 west for like a couple of miles. I think it's like for like 4 or 5 miles, and then get onto Interstate 55 north. So hopefully everything goes well on this detour. We're still good on fuel, just in case if something happens on this detour, but it's not gonna be that far. We have to continue going straight for 10 miles, 10 or 12 miles, and then get onto Interstate 70 west. I've never taken this route before, but the GPS is saying that it's a truck route. But like I always say, don't believe 100% the GPS. Remember, the GPS, it's only a guide to get you from point A to point B. You always have to look for signs or anything in that nature. I believe the name of the city is called Lebanon, or something. I don't know how to pronounce it. Lebanon, Illinois. I think we're coming up to like a little main street area. I don't know. I'm seeing a lot of cars here and trucks. Population here is 4,400. So it is a small town. 4,400 people that lives here. Yeah. Come on. Stay green, stay green. We're going uphill. Stay green, stay green. Oh my God, it's taking me a while to go. Stay green, stay green. Oh my gosh. Of course. Interstate 70 west, left. Oh, and I got my next load, which we can talk about it later. It's gonna be a next day delivery, so it's picking up tomorrow and delivers on Thursday. Alright, let's get onto Interstate 70 for a couple of miles and get onto Interstate 55. So I'll catch you guys when we get there or later. Peace. Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon, guys. Local time is 12:42 p.m. and welcome to, I'm gonna try to pronounce it because I'm having a good day. I'm in a good mood, so you guys can laugh at it. But there you go. Welcome to Peoria, Illinois. I don't know if that's the way you pronounce it. I don't know, but if anything, I went ahead and put it on the screen. We're currently traveling Interstate 74 west. Coming up to exit 94. And we coming up to downtown. Look at downtown. It's like old, but I like it. I think last time I came through here, like I said, I went to Iowa, but I wasn't recording for YouTube like the first month of this year. But I did came through here during the nighttime, and they have lights on the buildings and over here also, so it looks pretty nice. 30-minute break. I'm going to go ahead and take it on at the Iowa 80 truck stop. Which we're at, we got 112 miles till we get there, so that's about an hour and 35 minutes. And I got 2 hours and 4 minutes till I have to take my 30-minute break. So not bad. I believe after we pass Peoria, the next city is going to be Davenport, Iowa. We are going to be going, well, we're going to be passing over the Mississippi River to go into Iowa officially. There you go, guys. Welcome to Iowa. The people of Iowa welcomes you. Local time is 2:05 p.m. And right now I believe we're going around Davenport. Currently traveling Interstate 80 west. From here to the Iowa 80 truck stop, we got 20 miles, so that's about 22 minutes. And then we're gonna be taking our 30-minute break. I'm down to 45 minutes. And from here to where I'm gonna be stopping for the day, we got 161 miles. So that's about 2 hours and 30 minutes, give or take. So not bad. Alrighty guys, we made it to Iowa 80 truck stop. There you go. Welcome to Iowa 80 truck stop. Over 900 parking spaces available. You know what? Let's go ahead and show you guys around. Oh, dang. I don't know what I don't know what Prime was doing there. Let's go this way so you guys can see. That's the main building right there on the right side. Right here you got the big sign up ahead that you can see it from 10 miles away. And all of this is open space. Let's go this way so you guys can see the whole space that is over here. Look at this. That's Interstate 80. Look at all this space, guys. I still got 22 minutes till I have to take my 30-minute break, so I was looking at it just to make sure. And this is the end of the truck stop over here. Now we're gonna go back to the main building. I believe over here the first building, it's the shop or storage unit, I don't know. Right here, that's the shop, the TA. Trocomat, or I don't know if that's how you spell it. I mean, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's for truck wash. You got the fuel pumps here. That's kind of like a little restaurant, I guess. Blimpie or something. You got more fuel pumps. And I don't know if you guys saw it when we came in, but on the left side there was a building, and that's the museum. The Iowa 80 Museum. So let's go ahead and park it for a little break. Go to that building up ahead, which is the main building, and see what we find. Alright guys, local time is 6:04 p.m. and welcome to Des Moines, Iowa. We're about to get over here at this exit, exit 142, go to the Flying J and call it a night. I can see the truck stop here, but we're almost done. We're almost done. Alright, come on. From here to our customer tomorrow morning, we got 8.5 miles. So that's about what, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So nobody, they do open at 7 a.m. So I'm probably gonna start heading out from here like around 6 a.m. just to get there a little bit early, like half an hour, 45-minute early. And our next pickup is picking up here in Des Moines. I don't know how far is it from my customer tomorrow morning, so I'll figure it out tomorrow. Oh, and I'm sorry if you guys see like an army of bugs on the windshield. I don't know if the camera is getting it, but when I was taking my break on at the Iowa 80 truck stop, I went ahead and went to the fuel pump and cleaned the windshield, but now it's like, it looks like I didn't do anything. And the entrance is here. Yeah, it's here. Let's go find our land so we can build our house. There should be some type of parking here. It's 610 right now, or 608. I think I see one back there. Let me put the mic there. Ooh. I do see a couple of spots here, but I'm gonna see if I can find something. I don't know, guys. I'm feeling kind of lazy right now. Trying to find something easy. I mean, not easy, close to the building.
Can get a radio check, please? Conversion driver. Thank you, sir. Okay, I'm ready to try.
There you go. Oh, that should be good. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, and like always, stay safe out there, guys. Peace.